going on, everyone? Today we have to go over Pump.FUN because a lot of people have been actually looking at Pump.FUN and they've been like, this thing's pumping a lot. I might want to, have some fun, get in, see how much money I can make. So we're going to talk about where I think Pump.FUN is going next. Right now it is up 6.3% in the last 24 hours. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm going to talk about this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's get straight into it. And just a little hint, it's bullish, right? It's bullish. But let's talk about this. Right? We are at literally 30% inside the last 7 days. That's crazy. 14. And then we have 28% in the last 14 days. So we're doing pretty good on Pump.FUN. 451 million inside of trading volume, 1.7 billion in market cap. So yeah, it's doing fun. But look at this, guys. This right here is the prime example of a bull flag. You have the flagpole, the bull flag, followed by the breakout. And this is exactly how it is. Flagpole, which is your uptrend, your flag, which is your channel, and then your breakout, which is the wind, right? That's what it is. But yeah, this is a pretty textbook case of a bull flag, and it's actually pretty simple, But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Now, one thing that does not look good to me is the percent R trend exhaustion. The percent R trend exhaustion is almost overbought right now. But remember, it can stay overbought for an extended period of time. It can stay overbought for a long time. Last time it did that, it was overbought from September 3rd all the way up to September 14th. So 2 weeks straight, it was overbought. So this thing can pump and it can rally and it can stay overbought for longer than you think. So here's my thesis. I feel like if we break out from here, obviously, we come up here to this level first, do a little bit of a bear trap, go up to 0.006, do a little bit of a bear trap, go up to 0.0075, do a little bit of a bear trap again, go up to 0.0089, a little bit of a bear trap, right? And then a massive breakout towards this resistance up here. And the reason why I choose this resistance at 0.013 is because it's the next area on the Fibonacci retracement. So my target here for Pump.FUN right now, coming out of this bull flag, ultimately is up here. Now, obviously, I think it can go a little bit higher for this bull cycle. I believe this bull cycle is going to end by the end of February of next year. So I guess you can look at it from that perspective. But right now, in the short term, I see this going up to 0.013. So when I say in the short term, I don't mean in the next day or two or even the next week. But within the next month or two, I see Pump.FUN at 0.013 within the next month or two. So, that's what it is. That's how I see it. And when we're talking about gains from where we are now, let's go ahead and bring this all the way up here. So from where we are now, we are looking at 168% in gains if Pump.FUN goes all the way up here. And let's actually take it from the bottom Fibonacci here, right? Let's just do it like that. Let's just do that. All right. So we're going to do that 177%, guys. 177% just from there. So this is definitely very bullish. Again, it's a bull flag. Pump.FUN is actually pretty cheap right now. It would have been nicer to get in back down here, but this is still a decent price. Still looking at 177% in gains. And I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. There's a lot of gems right now in the market, and Bitcoin's about to take off. I have Bitcoin clocked in here inside of one of the most bullish patterns. Like, I actually love this pattern, actually. This is a bearish expanding triangle. So we have Bitcoin in a bearish expanding triangle, meaning by the end of February of 2026, that means we are then crashing and going down to probably 75K, right? 85 to 75K. So look, Bitcoin's going to, do some pumps inside of this little bearish expanding triangle for now. Well, you guys, you don't have that long. You have November, December, January, February, and then it's done. It's toast. Bitcoin's going to be at about 150K by February, by the end of February. And look, that's just what I'm doing. That's just how I'm seeing it. So let me know what you guys think about this. It's still Pump.FUN is still inside of a good position here. And honestly, if I'm going to be completely honest, I I think that Pump.FUN is going to be like the Dogecoin of the cycle, kind of. But it was between that or Pudgy Penguins. Dogecoin should do good too, but I'm pretty bullish on Pudgy Penguins too. So when it comes to like two projects that I'm really like looking at as prospects here, it's Pump.FUN and Pudgy Penguins. Those are like my two most bullish things. And see, Pudgy Penguins was also inside of this bull flag here, but it was more so like a I don't know. It kind of struck itself as almost a falling wedge, but it was like a bull flag too. So also remember that these bull flags don't always play the way that you think they're going to. Because look, it looked exactly like it was a bull flag. Look at this. This is the flagpole. This is the flag. And then boom, the breakout. But it didn't happen like that here with Pudgy Penguins. But what we are seeing now is Pudgy Penguins is about to actually break back into there. And it actually went down inside of this falling wedge. And now out of the falling wedge, it's breaking out to the upside. So you gotta remember, like, these patterns, they're not 100% accurate. I think a falling wedge has a win rate of like 72.77%, if I'm not mistaken. And then the symmetrical triangle only has a 54% win rate. So remember, the bull flag does not have a 100% win rate. You can see it here, perfect example with Pudgy Penguins, but it has a pretty high win rate. And when you couple that alongside Bitcoin looking like it's about to break out, then you get a nice pattern. So anyways, this is back. We're back on Pump.FUN here. So yeah, hopefully we can break out here. If not, we do have to be prepared for support levels. So if we fail to break out here at this Fibonacci and at this resistance here with this bull flag, then what we got to look for inside of Pump.FUN is going to be this support down here at 0.026. And I know you guys don't want to see that, but if we fail and get rejected, then that's just what you got to do. You got to look towards 0.026 for support. But I do think it's going to end up being pretty bullish breaking out of here. There's a possibility we can do something like this, pull back and then just take off, you know, like bull trap people. But we'll see. We'll see what exactly happens. We're seeing buying pressure coming in on the MACD as well on the daily chart, so that's a pretty good thing. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Definitely go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. And definitely become a member of the channel, guys. It's only $9.99 per month. And when you become a member of the channel, you can literally comment on any one of my videos. Leave a comment and say, hey, Marcellis, can you go over this crypto? Can you go over that crypto? Can you go over this stock? Can you go over that stock? Can you do a technical analysis on this, on that? You could literally have me do that, and I'll make the technical analysis video for you, and I'll post the video. So go ahead and become a member of the channels, guys, or become a member of the channel, guys. Right? Hey, I got a little bit of a speech impediment right now, but yeah, shout out to you guys again. Hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, I'll be back with another video.